In the last video of my chronicles in Bali, I went into the town of Ubud, and this time you'll see me at the monkey forest. Enjoy.
So they live like this.
Ah,
'Cause nobody
sweet
take it.
potato. Oh yeah, it belongs to people, right?
Belong.
Yeah, they just have them
Yeah.
roaming around.
Let them go and eat themselves.
Yeah. This is a garbage bin. It's cute.
It's a bit more safe because the monkey sometimes they take it.
The go. The monkeys are like squirrels that get into your stuff.
It's very interesting with any.
Never seen, like I've seen them in pictures, but not in real life. They grow in the muddy water,
Water in the water.
but their flower is so pretty. Oh, you have fish in it. The leaf is hydrophobic. There's a water puddle sitting on it. Her boobs spraying water. Go to get them to do the carving, or you have to go learn how to do it. Hello. Oh, they're there.
Yeah, they're everywhere.
I didn't look at the monkey.
Wild, you know?
Oh, there's a baby. Oh, those two are fighting.
Fight.
Uh-oh.
It's easy to get fight here.
I know. The baby. I mean, they are cute from a distance. Oh, she doesn't want to mate. Come off her. Biology in the wild.
They want to make sure he's the dad.
Right? She has a baby. Oh, and then, yeah, it's a part of, because no, he's grooming her. Or she's grooming him. Cannot believe I'm seeing biology in things that I learn about. Evil. Oh, I like how the moss is also on it.
It's easy to get walls here because, you know, it's not enough sun.
Yeah. Don't jump off. It's itchy.
We have another hat and then we jump.
Oh, that would scare me.
The little one is so cute.
Like there are carvings on the wall as well. Ooh! Close up. Oh, okay. This one found something.
Sweet potato.
Oh, that tail is long. Hello. Yeah, the tail is very long. Hello. And that's how you walk. Ah. Oop. Is that your girl? Is the sweet potato yummy? Is that your mom?
Yeah. Mom, they're almost closer with the baby.
Ah, and
Protect the
grooming.
baby.
Yeah. I guess it's like with humans too. Usually the moms are with the baby.
When we touch the baby, the mom will be hungry.
Yeah.
Will
You're always grooming. Do you know how you tell who is the okay, this one have boobs, so how do you know who is the man, like
Male or
male, female? Yeah.
female? Of course, the male
Oh,
is
you have to go. Okay.
because
Oh yeah, oh they're the one with the big, yeah,
yeah.
the big sack. You're always grooming. I like that. Always grooming. This mom is like, turn over. Let me see your ear. Okay, cute. Look at our for in the evolutionary chain. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, this is a cleaning station. Don't scratch your butt. Oh, their fur looks like wool. Oh, don't flash me. This is your cleaning station. Looks like a wet. Whoop. Okay, no fighting. It's the older ones, you know, because look, this one has sort of like a grain mustache. Leave her alone and has bigger, I don't know what the biological word is, their version of a testicle compared to the younger ones.
You see the biggest one? I think it's the boss.
Yes. Monkey all the way up there. They're always, the older guys, I feel like they're threatened by the young ones. They're always harassing them. Yep, definitely a big guy. No. She does not want another baby. Yep.
The boss always protect the group.
Yeah. And they're just growing wild here. Those ones, yeah. Yeah. Right? They do statues in honor of you.
And you can go for prayer in the temple.
Mm-hmm. Little pocket like kangaroos, but no. The little newborn is drinking milk. Ma'am. Koi's and catfish. I just love the frogs on the tree. Hey.
Boss. Which one? The big one? The boss?
Yeah. There's a baby hanging under the mom, but she's gone. Huh. Oh, that's what I thought, but I wasn't sure. I love it. Huge banyan tree.
That monkey loves to stay the big tree, yeah?
Tree. They're so pretty. With their big sucker mouths.
We call them like this.